In our previous class, we discussed the topic social dimension of civic education. This consists of the capacity of society to implement practices to ensure respect for human rights, the rights of communities to decrease the gap between the rich and the poor, and social justice. In today's class, we will discuss the economic dimension. The economic dimension enlightens us on how to handle money well and use it in a way that will benefit our country. It is also used to plan the country's budget on how to make money and how to spend it for the growth of the economy. Different countries with different currencies. Nigeria uses naira. The USA uses dollars, dollar. The UK uses the pound. Japanese use yen, yen. Australians use the Australian dollar, AUD. Canadian use the Canadian dollar, CAD. France use euro, Chinese use renminbi, CNH, etc. The economic dimension handles all economic outputs/externalities of the event firm and the individual event. Values measured range from the direct economic impacts on the host community and the world to the more complex indirect impacts, both being of great interest to event researchers. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.